Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add custom skins in Minecraft on Nintendo Switch. Alright, let's begin. First, open Minecraft and go to the main menu. From here, select the dressing room option. This is where you manage and customize all of your skins. Once the dressing room loads, look for the Create Character option. If the option does not appear, you may need to delete one of your current character slots to make room for a new one. After selecting Create Character, choose Select from Character List. Then pick a base character to start with, such as Steve or Alex. Once your base character is set, you can begin fully customizing your skin. You can adjust and personalize almost every detail, including body shape, hair, eyes, facial features, arms, legs, and more. You can also customize clothing such as tops, bottoms, jackets, and accessories. All of these changes can be made directly inside the dressing room without needing external files. Once you are satisfied with your custom skin, return to the main menu and load into any world. Your character will now appear with the customizations you applied. So that's basically how you can add custom skins in Minecraft Nintendo Switch. That's it for this video. Thanks!